How to add debit or credit card on Amazon account. So if you want to add debit or credit card on your Amazon account, then what you need to do is first you need to just install the Amazon application, or if you don't have the application, you can also go with your browser. So you just need to simply go with Google or your browser and search for Amazon. Go with the Amazon website, which is www.amazon.com, and just log in here. Go with sign in, which is on the top right. Tap on sign in again and sign into your account. And once you've signed in, you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that profile option. And here you will get all of these interface. So simply go with the account option. Once you're under the account, you will have your payments, right? Tap on your payments, and here you will have an option of add a payment method. Or on the left side, you will have an option of add a payment method under cards and account. So you can simply tap on any one of the options. Tap on add a payment method. Once you tap on it, you can simply choose the payment method, which is credit and debit cards. So just simply tap on add a credit or debit card. And after that, you can select your credit or your debit card. And after that, add your card number, the name on your card, the expiration date, the security code. If you don't know what's the security code, then you just need to simply tap on what's this, and it will give you the information. Security code is the CVV number, that is the last 3 digits at the back of your card. For the American Express cards, the CVV is a 4-digit number on the front of the card. So that's the CVV. You just need to simply enter the CVV card number and then tap on add your card, and your card will be added. That's how you can add your credit or your debit card on your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.